Hello everyone. It's great to see so many faces here today. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to introduce you to a groundbreaking tool that's making waves in the field of information security. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can enhance security testing? Well, let me tell you about PentAGI. So, what exactly is PentAGI? PentAGI stands for Penetration Testing Artificial General Intelligence. It's an innovative tool designed for automated security testing, linking together advanced AI technologies and professional penetration testing capabilities into one user-friendly package. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds interesting, but how does it work? Let's dive in together. PentAGI is crafted for security professionals and researchers who are looking for a powerful and flexible solution to conduct penetration tests. What sets PentAGI apart is how it leverages AI agents to automate security testing tasks and making the entire process more efficient and effective. Getting started with PentAGI is straightforward. The tool is available as open source code under the MIT license on GitHub. This means you can explore the source code yourself if you're that way inclined. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker setup, you can download a ready-to-use set of Docker images from Docker Hub. One of these images is built directly from the project's code. This flexibility allows you to choose how you want to engage with PentAGI, whether that's diving deep into the code or getting up and running quickly. To deploy PentAGI, you'll use Docker Compose. Now, if you're familiar with Docker, you'll appreciate how convenient this is. But don't worry if you're new to it. The setup is designed to be user-friendly. You start by creating a working directory and setting up an environment file. In this file, you'll input your API keys for various services and providers that PentAGI integrates with. Once that's done, a simple command brings the entire system to life on your own infrastructure. Interacting with PentAGI is a breeze thanks to its modern and intuitive web interface. This web UI is built using React and TypeScript, offering a clean and user-friendly experience. Because all components of PentAGI are self-hosted, you're not relying on any external services provided by the developers. This means you have complete control over your deployment and data, ensuring your work remains secure and isolated. Once you're in the web UI, setting up tasks is straightforward. You can create what we call flows, which represent scanning tasks or a series of penetration testing actions you want to execute. You define your objectives and parameters in plain language, and the AI agents within PentAGI take it from there. These AI agents are a central feature of PentAGI. They are fully autonomous and powered by integrations with external large language model providers, like OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepInfra, OpenRouter, and others. You can even connect your own server if you prefer. The agents interpret the tasks you've set, determine the best course of action, and execute penetration testing steps automatically. It's important to note that these agents strictly operate within the scope of the assignments you provide. You maintain full control over their actions, ensuring they perform only the tasks you've specified. You might be curious about the tools PentAGI uses during testing. Here's the fascinating part. PentAGI itself doesn't include any built-in tools for conducting cyber attacks. Instead, it allows you to download and utilize public penetration testing tools, such as those included in Kali Linux or other Docker images. For example, when you set a task, the system intelligently selects the appropriate Docker image, installs the necessary tools, and initiates a simulation of the attack. This approach keeps the system secure and compliant while providing access to a comprehensive suite of professional security tools like Nmap, Metasploit, SQL map, and more. As the AI agents carry out their tasks, PentAGI keeps you informed through comprehensive monitoring and detailed logging. The system integrates with observability tools like OpenTelemetry, Grafana, Victoria Metrics, Yager, and Loki. This means you have real-time insight into the system's performance and the progress of your tasks. You can track everything as it happens, ensuring transparency and control throughout the process. When it comes to analyzing the results, PentAGI doesn't disappoint. The system generates detailed vulnerability reports complete with exploitation guides. These reports help you understand the findings and offer guidance on how to address any identified issues. Additionally, PentAGI features a smart memory system that stores research results and successful approaches for future use. This means the system learns over time, becoming more effective with each task you run. Another noteworthy aspect of PentAGI is its integration with external search systems like Tavily, Traversal, and Google Custom Search. This enhances the AI agent's ability to gather comprehensive information during penetration testing, resulting in more thorough and effective analysis. Security and isolation are at the heart of PentAGI's design. All operations are performed in a sandboxed Docker environment, ensuring complete isolation. This means you can conduct your test without worrying about affecting other systems or compromising security. The sandboxed environment ensures that all activities are contained and controlled. Now, let's talk a bit about the architecture of PentAGI. It's built to be modular and scalable, with a microservices-based design that supports horizontal scaling. The core services include the front-end UI, back-end API with REST and GraphQL support, a vector store using PostgreSQL with pgvector for semantic search and memory storage, and a task queue for asynchronous processing. The AI agents operate within this architecture, utilizing a smart memory system that includes long and short memory and episodic memory components. Speaking of the technical side, our backend is developed using Go, while the frontend is built with React and TypeScript. We use Docker containers for isolation and easy deployment of the system. Separate networks help ensure security between the core services, monitoring, and analytics. Each component scales easily and can be configured for reliable operation in production environments. Deployment is quick and straightforward. You can set up PentAGI using Docker Compose with a comprehensive environment configuration. You will have full control over your deployment and data since it's a self-hosted solution. Plus, with flexible authentication options, you can integrate with various LLM providers and even configure custom settings if you need. Before I wrap up, I want to emphasize that PentAGI is intended for research and educational purposes. It's designed to help security professionals explore and understand potential vulnerabilities in their own systems, not to facilitate unauthorized access to others. Ethical use is at the core of PentAGI's mission. In conclusion, PentAGI is a powerful and innovative tool that brings together artificial intelligence,